Hello viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, we were going to the YOLOv8 object tracking with IDs and blurring to the object. So our main target will be exploring to the object detection and tracking part, and you can get the result and high accurate. So our concept will be going to the exploring more strong projects for the helping of the people's freelancers and students. So I'm creating one report. First of all, you download code from here. I'm going to the step by step, so it will be easy for you. So you can see I am downloading code from here and open my PyCharm and close it my previous project. So now we are open the project, going to the desktop. Here our project. Okay, so you need to following these steps, going to the directory, installation the requirement, and go to the one folder, download the deep source. You just press the link and go to the deep source and download from here. Okay, so I'm already downloaded, but in case my step by step going, I'm downloading it again. Okay, after downloading, you can see the I mentioned the project path. You go to the download zip folder and unzip it, and going to the detection folder, put it here the one video. You can see the one video here, copy and go to the detection folder. So after going to the run this command, if you want to use this command, then okay, otherwise you following these steps. Okay, so I am going to open the my folder desktop here, and you can see the copy paste here one video. Okay, so now we are going to the uh, yeah, you can see the installation requirements will be mentioned it, and I'm updating here the install the requirements. Okay, after you can see the here the deep source will be download. We go to the our main folder detection folder and paste here, unzip it. So after unzip it, and our PyCharm will be I hope so it will be download all packages will be done, and this time same time. Okay, so it's 4 seconds. 3 2 1, it's downloading done. You can see the I'm opening the detection folder, and now showing the folder. Okay, so open it again. I think so. Yeah, you can put here the deep source. Yeah, its report will be done. Now do not need to any type of changing in this report. Okay, here our you can see the PyTorch is not mentioned, ultra license is not mentioned. I am going to the PyCharm, go to the reference, here the project Python interpreter, and paste here. Okay, I need a specification path 8.0.0. Oh, yeah, this version will be used. So it will be done in I think it's taking time for the installation. So I think it's taking, yeah. So you can use cache in this building object in a lot of places. You can use it. Uh, After, you can see the in video side, a lot of people used uh, in movies, public place. Okay, install the packages. Its PyTorch will be installed. So I hope so. To hide process, you can see it's taking time. Okay. First of all, you keep in your mind you can only depend on your dependency and create the environment. If you want to create your environment, you cannot need any type of confusion, any type of other. So I think so. We install OpenCV. Uh, yeah, its installation part will be created. I think installation part is successfully done. After installation part of the OpenCV, uh, let me check that out. Now need only ultra license. Ultra license in also in showing the I'm showing you the four processing will be here. One part will be installed. Here the our transfer flow board will be, and meanwhile will be installed. So let me discuss about you this project, where to use this project. You can use in university area, cafeteria, where you people all the smoke, and after you can see the a lot of reporting peoples will be use this type of so you can see the let me check it out you. Here the Python version is my Python version is the 3.10. It's conda environment. It's already done. Okay, so I'm going to the this folder. First of all, I'm going to this folder. After folder, already installed the certified. It's certified. This type of now just you can see the I'm already put here all things video and deep source. Just copy and paste command and run it. Here is the terminal. We are waiting for the PyCharm environment. So after you can see the I am running the command in my conda environment with terminal base. It's uh, it's already done. Okay, now will be YOLOv8. Uh, you can say at pre-10 model will be downloaded from the main source. Okay, so it's taking time. My internet is too much slow. I hope so. It's working fine now. Installation package TensorFlow 2.4.1. So let me discuss first of all script side. Its main script. We will change it to some few things. So you can see the import the libraries, and after import the libraries, you can see the count function, and put here the rectangular and CV means text, and line by line will be changed. After you can see the deep sort will be mentioned it here, configuration of the deep sort. Then you can see the deep sort will be done. You can see the we are mentioning it here the x pixels means x axis, y axis, width, height. After pixel will be mentioned the classes, also boxes will be mentioned, and color will be mentioned. And you can see that we are creating one line for the how many cars will be going upward and downward will be counted. After mention the counted, we are assigned the one boxes of the every object. I will show you once it will be done. So after done, its detection part will be front of you. So I hope so. It's very simple report. You can go to the main analysis site and you can see already mention every line by line. So we are only predict the model and assign the one blur of the object and you get the result. It's depend on you what kind of you want to put a video in your site. So you can easily use in mall side, in civilian camera side, in a lot of I will mention it in my project detail. So I am creating a simple report after everything will be done. Document folder. So where to use. So I hope so. It's now it's working fine. It's initialized to the ultra license packet. It's taking time. Not much time necessary. 1 minute, 2 minutes. Why is my internet is slow? I hope so. It's now stable to download the internet packet. You also see the it's depend on the internet. When internet is stable, is working within second. Uh, I'm going to the my YouTube folder. Yeah, I have already download one pre-10 wait. Oh, it's not be here. Okay, I think I am opening the bin folder and go to the previous report, put it back, copy and paste it here. You can see the its download depend on the download. We are already um, taking a lot of time. It's very simple report. Okay, so now it's working fine. I hope so. You can see the get we are getting result. 10 cars, one bus, two tracks, 10 cars. Okay, and assign the one values. So it's taking some time to create the video and it's create the video. You can see here the here we are. Okay, so here we are targeting this video. It's uh, it's accurate and blurring to the object. Now we are you can see the result in Conda environment. Now we are going to the uh, open my PyCharm. It's downloading processing will be done. I hope so. It's working fine. So I'm just running the this type and you can get the result. I hope so. It's working fine. So it's taking time. Oh, what's type of getting error? URL 3. It's already we are solved this error. It's need to specification 1.16.1. You can see the Python 3.9. You can need this type of otherwise you getting this type of error. Okay, I hope so. It's working fine now. So main target our project will be deliver our audience and step by step running to the this project. You can open this camera, also mention the camera. Do not mention the path of the video. You can mention easily just a real time camera 0 1. You replace the video and you can see the what kind of error now. Okay, go to the reference. So here the dependency issue. Now I hope so. It's not. It's working fine now. Let me check it out. Any do not need any dependency issue. So it's working fine, successfully fine. It's working fine. So you can see that do not need any delay. What kind of any type of error? Set the environment variable I button equal to 1. Oh, so it's taking one issue. Let me check it out you. So open the terminal. I think 3.9. Okay. So you can see I'm already mentioned it here. You need to the pip install. Okay. So we are upgrading the pip. After update the pip and I hope so it's working fine. So so if you want to need any type of error, this type of error you get the pip install. You can see the already install or dependency will be done and we already installed our dependency. So we need to copy this command and paste here and Python predict model. So I hope so it's working fine now in Python 3.9 version. It's NumPy error. Okay, you can see the no model of the NumPy model. It's I hope so. We need pip install. It's taking 1 and 2 minutes release. So it's NumPy error. After we resolve the NumPy error, we test it again, and I hope so it's working fine now. So it's depend on the our environment. If our environment is already created, is sort of the created, and it's working fine, so you do not get any error. I hope so it's working fine now. After installation part will be done. So it's taking time. So you can see the after installation part is done, it's taking time, and numpy installation is part done. After done, we are going to the same command will be run, and you can see we are oh we are please upgrade the pandas version. Okay, now why are it's taking? I do not understand why are install dash requirement. So sudo pip install requirement. So I hope so. It's not need to any taking time. So I think so it's working fine, but I do not know what kind of the getting any type of in Python 3.9 version in the PyCharm. So it's taking the environment will be created. After environment will be our successfully created. So we are successfully run this project. So I hope so it's working fine now after installation reinstallation. So I hope so. We are taking the YOLOv8 a large dot pt. Uh, hmm, I hope so. It's working fine now. What kind of set the environment variable? So you can see that we are getting already getting there. He said 1.2.0 point not working fine. You can install 1.20.03. I think it's double. Okay. So I am mention it here after numpy. Which model is the correct? So we are testing 1.2.3. Okay. So I hope so. It's working fine now. Let me check it out. You. We are cannot getting any error. I hope so. So it's done. After it's done, we are initialized to the same command Python predict.py model and YOLOv large model pt source our video, and you can I will show you the where to use how to use camera. Oh, so it's working fine now. I hope so. So you can see the we are successfully installed the dependency, create the environment, and run it the PyCharm. So I hope so it's working fine now. So you can now easily run from here. Just uh, press the link, and your script will be run. Okay. So you can see the find we are finding an error. So go to the terminal, and you can run it from here. Okay. So you can see the we are Python 3.9.6 is its uh, originally PyCharm version. Okay. So we are going to the use source code our live camera, put it as 0. You can see the our blur face. I hope so it's working fine. 1%, but it's blur. Okay, so it's live. I hope so you like it. Kindly support our channel for more getting information updates. Any type of confusion you want to comment down, we have sort out.